Hey everyone, and hi to all my Ka Beauties, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Leigh on Leigh Style. So, naka-receive na naman tayo ng hair extension from this time. Actually, I have this for a while. So, it depends kasi kung sino yung nauna, yun inuuna kong i-vlog. So, but finally, this is it. So, I'm talking about the VIVIEN hair extension. So, this is the package that they sent me. This is a clip hair extension, 7 clip hair extension in balayage color. Ayan. This is a human hair full head and 100% Remy hair. So, kasi when you say 100% human hair, it's like your hair. Parang ganun. So, kailangan mag-blend siya. So, ayan. So, let's open the package. Ayan. There's nothing special with the box. So, ganyan lang yung box niya. It says, yan yung kanyang brand. And of course, there's a do's and don'ts for your hair extension, and you can find their email and of course their Instagram on the bottom, so you can check them out as well. Ayan. So, simple lang siya ganito. Ooh, it's blonde. Okay. So, ayan. This is 22 inches, 7 pieces. It says there. Ayan. Inches. So, hindi ko kung ano yung number 3822, but I'm just focusing in 22 inch, so 7 pieces. So, 22, so medyo mahaba siya. But usually, lahat ng mga na-try ko is 22 inch, no? Oops. Wow. It's so soft, actually, but it's so off to my hair. But, I hope na mabigyan ko ng hustisya to, but we'll see what's gonna happen if I put it on my hair. Because parang wala pa ako na-try na ganitong kulay, no? Medyo super matingkad to. This is very light compared to my hair. As you can see, yeah. I mean, the top is dark brown, but it's kind of like an ombre too. But it says balayage color. Ayan. Oh my God. Okay. So, tanggalin natin sa kanyang tali. So, ayan. So, we'll see. So, this is the first one. So, maganda actually ang pinaka edge niya. Very pino. Hindi siya, apat pala siya. So, ayan. Ganyan. So, it's the same. Oh, medyo matigas. Ganyan. So, ayan. 4 clips. So, maybe ito yung pinaka-longest niya. Itong 4 clip. I mean, pinaka-maraming clip. Okay, next one. It says 7, no? Okay, ito single. Meron siyang isang clip lang. Ayan. Next one is, ito yung tatluhan. So, i-ready ko na para mabilis tayo, no? So, ito yung isa pang tatluhan din. Ay! It's dalawa lang pala, sorry. Ayan, dalawa lang yung clip. Eh, dalawahan. Ayan, sa dami ng na-review ko, hindi ko na alam kung ano talaga. Kung may tatluhan ba o dalawa. Okay, ito. Ayan, dalawahan din siya. Ayan. Ito yung pang-anim. Isa pang dalawahan. Pero parang magka-layo. Pare-pareho ba? Pareho din. So, tatlo yung ganito niya. And then this one. So, isa lang yung isang clip. So, unusual. Kasi usually, tigda dalawa eh. But this one, ang tatlo niya yung dalawahan. Hindi ko alam kung nagkamali, ano. But, ayan. But anyway, let's try this hair extension and see what it looks like on me. Alright, let's start. So, syempre, uunahin natin yung likod. So, yung may waga akong suklay. Ayan. So, ayan, all you have to do is to part your hair. Unahin natin yung likod. So, syempre, hindi mo natin isasama yung dito sa unahan. So, unat na unat ang aking buhok. My God. So, ayan. So, ayan. So, i-part ko lang ng ganyan. Hatiin ko dito kung mag-start. So, hindi ko alam kung magagamit ko siya lahat, no? Kasi parang tatlo yung tatluhan. So, okay. So, unahin ko yung tatluhan. Okay. So, ito muna. Ayan. So, madali lang like I usually do. I start in the middle and I wiggle a little bit para kumapit siya. And then, yung side. Ayan. So, make sure na mahigpit ang kapit. Para hindi makunan. Malaglagan. Kung saan tayo nag-end, aakit lang tayo ng konti. Okay. 3 ulit. Iuwi natin. Actually, mahigpit siya, no? Maganda ang kapit niya. Mahigpit. Ayan. So, magiging blend na ako nito. Blandita na ako nito after. So, unahin na muna natin dito sa side. I will use the 2 clips. Ayan. Diyos ko, Lord. Oh my God. This is really off to my hair. But, let's see what's gonna happen. Higpit. Mahigpit. Dito ko siya ilalagay sa pinaka parang halo ng buhok. Ganyan pa halo. Pinaka gitna. Ito. Apatan. So, kailangan maganda yung lagay natin. So, as you can see, wini-wiggle ko talaga siya para kumapit. Kasi sometimes, naranasan ko, naglo-loose. So, nalalaglag. So, kailangan talaga yung pinaka-clip niya will catch your hair. Para it's not gonna go anywhere. Okay, so meron pa akong isang dalawahan and isa nung single. So, siguro itong dalawahan, I'm gonna put it on this side kasi medyo maitim pa yung buko dito. So, pwede ko siya ilagay dito. Ayan. So, kailangan nyo nito. This will be your friend. Ayan. Diyos ko, blandita ka, girl. Blandita ka, girl. And then, yung isa, lalagay ko dito. Hindi ko alam why this is only one. No? Usually, 2 for each. But, since nag-iisa lang to, lalagay ko na lang dito sa... So, parang gusto ko siya tuloy kulutin. Okay. Medyo naglalaga siya ng very light. So, to put more a different look, I'm gonna curl my hair. Alright? Alright. So, ayan na guys. Dahil medyo mas mahaba yung extension sa aking hair. So, medyo kinurl ko siya para naman hindi off sa aking natural hair. So, mas okay siya kasi parang meron akong highlights. So, ayan. Kita ko sa inyo sa likod. So, ayan. 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 So, maganda. Very nice. Although, the color lang, medyo I wish na it's not too blonde. Yung medyo much lang sana sa hair ko. Kasi my hair is in between dark and dark brown. So, hindi talaga siya super black. Hindi rin naman siya super brown. Yun yung aking hair. So, you can put hairspray if you want. But for now, I'm just gonna do it like that. I just like this soft wave curls. Yung parang medyo wave lang siya para lang magkaroon ng konting body. This is very easy to manage. You can wash it as well. It's washable, heat friendly, so you can do as many styles as you want in this hair extension. You can try it and give it a shot. I will put the link on my description box so you can check on their website. So ayan, Vivien hair extension. This is the clip hair extension in Balayage color. Ayan. So I hope you like this review, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And kindly hit the notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!